Well, Aam Aadmi Party's remarkable performance in the Delhi Assembly elections has put it on the national map. Not surprising then that scores of people are lining up at the party's office in other cities for membership. In Mumbai, Aam Aadmi Party's office has flooded with inquiries about party membership. Kamlesh Sutar reports on the Aam Aadmi Party's popularity surge in the city of Mumbai.
After Aam Aadmi Party's victory in Delhi, there's a beeline in the party's Mumbai office for membership. In just 36 hours since the party's victory, thousands have enrolled as new members, and every hour the party office is receiving around 300 to 400 calls inquiring about membership details. And the best part of this is most of them are youngsters.
Aam Aadmi Party's stellar show in the Delhi Assembly polls has set the party's popularity soaring. And after the capital, the party seems to have its sights set on the elections in Mumbai and Maharashtra. There is no dearth of support for Aam Aadmi Party in the country's commercial capital, and it's the youngsters who are powering the party in Mumbai too.
I wanted to learn the way all these RTIs are filed and PILs are filed and many more things, scam expose and stuff. They teach us over here at Aam Aadmi Party. I wanted to experience and learn all that so that it can really help me further, and I can use all those methods to, becoming an activist.
So as it is, I owe too much to the country. Being in IIT, I'm giving the best privileges to study from the country, competing among the best students. So it's my duty to work for the country. So that's what I'm doing here in Aam Aadmi Party.
Professionals from all walks of life too are queuing up outside the AAP office, and all of them have just one intention: to change the face of politics in the country.
No, in fact, I myself really have no clue on the number of calls that I've got. But all that we had to do is we had to forward it on 2 cell phones. And there were people attending, my mails and my SMSs. And trust me, we had to answer like 250 SMSs per hour. That was the kind of response that we got on Sunday and Monday.
The Aam Aadmi Party is planning to field maximum candidates from Mumbai for the Lok Sabha and Assembly polls next year. And analysts say with the party's performance in Delhi, the responsibility on its leadership and members has also gone up.
100% strong message. It is not only a strong message, it is one tamacha, one lafa on their face. Tap! Now they will wake up. People want good governance.
Unlike Delhi's bipolar scenario, Maharashtra politics is dominated by the strong presence of regional parties like the NCP, Shiv Sena, RPI and the MNS. And it won't be easy for the young party to carve a political space for itself in Maharashtra.